What is going on, guys? Gang lit back for another video, and today we are gonna be doing a video on how to make a 21 Savage type beat. Yeah, I know I've done this before. I like 21 Savage. What can I say? But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos that you do in the future, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe and turn on post notifications while you're at it. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on my computer. Peace. All right, y'all, back on my computer for this 21 Savage type beat, and you know how it is. Let's just get straight into it. I don't care about any other VST that I own, like, it's just straight up. All right, we're gonna use this sound. I'm gonna make a melody real quick. All right, y'all, we have found a melody, and we have found a sound. So yeah, here's what it sounds like. There it is. So now I'm just gonna add a counter melody. I don't know. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do something new. I'm gonna add a counter melody, and I'm also gonna add some background ambient effects because I know 21 Savage's beats are very, very, very dark, and I also want to, do something a little different. I want to just, do the same thing over and over again. So I'm just gonna add a little something different. Just make it a little spicy. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's find this counter melody real quick. Okay, so I was able to find a sound. I use Nexus, sorry. I know I always use it, but I don't give a damn. Found a counter melody, and I'm actually also going to add that sound effect real quick so that you guys could hear it. So I have found a melody, and I also added the sound effect to it to make it sound a little bit more unique, a little bit darker. So here's what that sounds like, and yeah. Yeah, so the sound effect that I used, I was just in Nexus, and I went to textures and effects, and I clicked on just horrible. So just lay down a few random places to put it, and yeah. So let's move on to the drums. So I'm gonna, of course, you guys know what drum I'm already gonna use, or what 808 I'm already gonna use, because I'm unoriginal, and that's just how I am. So yeah, let's get into it. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn this up a little bit. I'm gonna speed it up. Let's speed this up. Not too fast. Alright, before I continue, I'm about to just EQ this thing real quick because I hate that high pitch sound. Wait, no, not this one. Let's add the 808, man. I'm gonna add the 808. Get that John right here. I'm gonna add the 808 real quick. I'm gonna go back to hit the hi-hats later. Where's the kicks? Alright, alright. 808. Alright, we got a nice little 808 pattern going, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to actually... Alright, yeah. So, it's all done. It sounds like this. Alright, and I'm just going to add the kicks to it. Nothing special with the kicks. I'm just going to layer it, to be honest. I'm not doing anything special with it, just because I just want to, you know, keep it simple, nice and easy. Very good. Now that everything is done, I'm gonna go back to the hi-hats, finish that up, and we're gonna be done with the beat. So yeah. everyone's favorite type beat. I thought it turned out really nicely. You know, I was, you know, making it slightly differently. I added, you know, that effect or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Comment on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. I can't thank you guys enough. But yeah. Also, once again, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all you guys. I really do. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.